Well, I took the solar panel off the fence today. It was on there. It didn't seem to be doing much good. So I made a stand myself, just a quick stand, 45-degree angle. And with that there, plus the other panel over there and the one on the roof, I managed to hit 51.4 amps today. And about 20 minutes after I managed to do that, it started to rain. But that shows that the system is working as it should be. And then I found that the battery wasn't charging. So I looked at the unit up here, pressed the button to find out why it wasn't charging. You see, it's spotting the rain outside now. I'm still getting 7 amps. And I thought, well, that's working fine, so there's power coming in. So there must be power going out. So I checked the box here to see whether there's anything the matter there. Tested it with the meter and it was fine. And then I tested the battery and I found that this clip had come off. That clip there had broken free, and of course there was no power going into the battery, so the whole system shut down. Well, I say shut down, the backup mains power took over, so everything went on as normal. But a simple little thing like that caused the problem today on me finding out why the system was not working. But it's all up and working now, and possibly tomorrow I'll connect the second battery, so then we'll see what the power is running at. Although I might need a battery charger because it says that both batteries must be at the same charge rate before you connect them together. But the solar panel's working so far. So that's it for this little episode. Just to let you know what's happening and what's going on. I still have all these cables here to sort out. Sort out and put in the correct order. Make them look neat. So that'll be one job to do when it's raining in here and getting those done. But everything's working fine at the moment. So take care, catch you in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't.